Alright, I don't normally do videos like this, but holy shit. I just want to show you something. I just picked up a new air compressor. This one's taking a little longer to fill up. But let me plug this thing in for a second so you can hear it. Plug your ears. Alright. Compared to nothing. That's whisper quiet. So I haven't even gotten a chance to really use this thing yet, and holy crap, I'm already in love. So, happy, I don't know, merry late Christmas? I don't know what we'll call this. We'll call this an early birthday gift. See you later, guys.